Hey y'all, it's the South Texas Travel Channel, and today we're going to SeaWorld San Antonio. We are now inside the park. The entrance looks a lot better than how it used to look. Everything today is closed because of wind, but we're going to try to see if we can at least see a show. We are at Bubbles Boba Tea, and I got the Bubbles Tea. What'd you get?
Tropical Thunder.
She got the Tropical Thunder. We're gonna try them.
Pretty good.
Pretty good. We just got done watching Orca Encounter, and I think we're just gonna do a lap around the park, and if anything's open, might do it. If not, then yeah. I think we're gonna head over to Great White. I'm about to ride the Great White. I just got off the Great White, and it was really fun. It's the only ride at the park that's open because it's super windy, but yeah. It is an insanely windy day at SeaWorld. We got our double discount, and we're gonna go buy this sweatshirt. We'll tell you how much it is at the end. Right now, it's $44. Let's see after the discounts. It ended up being $35 even. So, yeah, it's a pretty nice sweatshirt though.
Make sure we're only feeding the sea lions that are asking for it. They're partnering with here. That means that they're asking for that fish.
We're driving home from SeaWorld San Antonio. It was really fun. It was really congested and busy and windy. It was so windy that these leaves, they hit you and it hurt. And everything was closed. But Great White was open and we watched the show. So we had a good day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.